Put to work, Robert. Push the pace. Work your arms inside, Robert. Work your arms inside. Work your arms inside, Robert. Inside control. Weave your arms inside. Weave your arms inside, Robert. Good. Sprawl and drag him down. There you go. Keep passing the guard now. Slow down. Slow down. Breathe. Breathe. Put your right knee on his belly. Put your right knee on his belly. Now slide it across. Put your right knee on his belly and slide it across. Keep your head low. Keep your head low. Keep your weight down. Take your time. Try to get that knee in. Posture, Robert. Posture. Posture and pass. Posture and pass. Keep him flat past the guard. Keep walking back out of his guard. Walk backwards out of his guard. Walk backwards out of his guard. There you go. Walk your knees backwards away from me. Walk back. Walk back. Open up the guard. Press the legs. Keep working him, Robert. Open up the legs. Keep yourself protected. Keep your elbows inside. Push him down. Push him down. Push him down. Drive, Robert. Drive. Reverse it. Reverse, Robert. Reverse. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going, Robert. Get up on your knees. Get up. Get up, Robert. Get up. Get up. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Come on, Robert.
Don't quit. Get up. Get up. Bridge and roll. Bridge and roll, Robert. Let's go. We got to work out of this. Bridge and roll. Roll, 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 roll. Don't quit. Don't quit. Keep going. Grab his arm. Grab his arm. Don't quit. Keep going, Robert. Keep bridging. Keep bridging. Keep bridging. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Explode. There we go. Now get him flat. Get him flat. Let's go, Robert. Bridge and roll, Robert. Bridge and roll. Get your elbows back inside. Move your legs. Move your legs. Move your legs, Robert. Bridge. Bridge and roll. Don't stop. Don't stop. Do not stop bridging. Keep going. Keep going. Keep working it, Robert. Don't stop, buddy. Push on his belly. Put your hands on his belly and push. Put your hands on his belly and push. Good. Get up, get up, get up. Turn into him. Turn into him. Robert, two hands on one of his. Both of your arms on one of his. Good. Keep working, keep working, keep working. Mike.